Hello, my name is Yannis. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a circuit by using the AND gate. And once we've done this, I'm going to show you how to use the C language in Visual Studio in order to actually generate a program that basically uses this logic. To get started, we need to go to Input and we need to add two inputs. Secondly, we are going to add an output. Let's use digital LED. And finally, we are going to add a gate, and the gate is the AND gate. We're going to link the first input with the AND. We're going to link the second input with the AND, and we're going to link the AND with the actual output. Okay, so what this means, if I turn the value here to 1, from 0 to 1, and I will not be able to see the LED light up. However, if I click here as well, if both values are positive, yeah, then the LED light will light up. If any of them is off, the LED is not on. Let's go now to Visual Studio to see how we can actually apply this into a software application. So go to Visual Studio, select Create a New Project, and once you're on your new project, we are going to make sure that we select C++. From the drop-down list, select Window, and from the drop-down list, select Desktop. Scroll down, and what we need here, we need the console. Let's search it. Let's type console. And we are looking for the console app, no C#, no VB, but C++. So we're going to select that one here, and we're going to click Next. Next, what we're going to do, we're going to name this project appropriately. So I'm going to call this Unit 37 Circuit Code. Okay. Then I'm going to click Create. Okay. So what I need to do is basically delete this default code, or let's remove everything because I don't want to retype in this. So let's delete all the comments. Okay. So let's delete that. So we bring in the input-output stream. We also need to bring another library here, which is using namespace std, just to shorten our words, basically our keywords here, so we can focus more on the actual process. So what we need to do, first of all, we need to create two variables. So I'm going to create an integer variable 1, a, and then I'm going to create an integer variable b. Then I'm going to create a loop. I'm going to create a while loop because I don't want my application to close. So let's say true. And I'm going to open and close curly brackets here. And within my curly brackets, I'm going to put cout less than double quotes. So I want to put in a new line. So then I'm going to say enter value for a. And then I can actually specify 0 or 1 colon and double quote. So this is a string, semicolon to my statement. And I'm going to say cin greater, and then I will say a semicolon to my statement. So now I'm going to go for cout for b. So because I'm lazy, I don't want to type everything again from scratch. So I'm just going to copy this. And I'm going to paste this here. And the only thing I need to do is change that value to that and this value to that b. Okay. Then what we need to do, we need to create a new integer, which is going to be the AND gate. Result. is equals to A and B. Semicolon to my statement. And then I will say cout less than, and then within double quotes, I'm going to put and output colon space, and I will say less than and underscore result less than and L semicolon. And now I'm just going to make sure here I'm going to put return 0 just in case something goes wrong. Okay, this is my app now, so I'm just going to press F5, or I'm just going to click on local window debugger. The application opens, enter a value, so I'm going to put here 1. I'm going to press enter. I'm going to type 1, enter. So the output is 1. So now I'm going to type 0, enter, 1, enter. The output is 0. Now I'm going to type 1, enter, 0, enter. Again, the output is 0. Now if I type 0 on both, the output is 0. So now I have tested the logic. So I can actually create the truth table now based on these outcomes. Hope you've learned something new today. I hope you will be able to apply these new skills to basically create outstanding circuit boards in the future. See you now.